Shout for Help is a philanthropic platform where over 450 experts from legal, finance, education and healthcare domains have already registered themselves. They are all willing to help the distressed individuals for free on humanitarian grounds. A person in distress has to register on SFH portal as a help seeker by filling a simple form and post his issue by mentioning the issue category, whether it is finance, legal, education or healthcare. The issue is immediately sent to all those experts on SFH portal who fall in that issue category. The list of experts who express the willingness to resolve the issue are sent to the help seeker's dashboard. Acknowledgement and alert emails of the same are sent to both help seeker and experts tagging the issue ID. Help seeker can browse the profiles of the experts who are willing to extend help. Help seeker then communicates and interacts with the experts through the chat facility provided in his or her dashboard on SFH portal. Help seeker selects the expert from whom he or she wishes to seek help. Email alerts notifying the selection of expert are sent to all relevant parties. Once the expert is chosen by the help seeker, the chat facility with the other experts automatically gets disabled. All this tie-up process from expression of interest by experts to help seeker choosing the expert must be completed within 3 days of logging the issue in SFH portal. The help seeker then is hand-holded by the chosen expert till his problem or issue is resolved. This may take a day or a month or even more. Help seeker can communicate and interact with the expert both online through chat facility within the SFH portal and also offline through personal contact till the issue is completely resolved. Once the issue is resolved, the help seeker can give a testimonial to the expert and close the issue on SFH portal. Thus, SFH works as a complete issue resolution platform where help seekers can directly connect to the philanthropic experts and get their issues resolved for free. SFH is not a fundraising platform. It is only an issue resolution platform.